So, I don't know if you can get it from where I'm at right now, but the left side is actually higher than the right side. I'm going to come over here, I'll show you. Put my fingers in there. See how it's touching? It's just barely a finger gap. I'll go back up and I'll go over to the other side. And look at it. I know it's not much, but when you step back and look at the card, this one definitely looks like it's hanging down more. So maybe if you look like that and then I brought you over, then you could see. See? Like this. Just barely fit my finger in there. Right there. Back over there, and there's a big gap. So, underneath here, there's this hangers in there. I don't know if you can see back in there. Those two hangers right here. I think I'm going to cut them off and weld them back down. Weld them back down with the exhaust moved up, like there. So we're talking maybe a ½ inch. So here I go, it's corrected. It seems to be exactly 5/8 of an inch from here to the bottom of here. So I did the exact same on this side. So it's 5/8 from here to here. As you can see in there, you can just see where I cut it and re-welded it. I cut both of them back there. The other one's kind of behind the little valve bracket. You can kind of see where I cut it. Cut all the saws on, weld it back on. Use a floor jack, push it up in place, measured it, put it up a little bit higher than I needed and let it droop down a little bit. It's got the little rubber bushing right there. Or tie bar, whatever you want to call it. Well, problem solved.